If you need better access to your 2015 and newer F-150 SuperCrew, then these 6-inch wide flat running boards will be just what you're after. Featuring a huge wide step pad, solid construction, and a really affordable price tag, these make for a perfect addition to any build. The name kind of really says it all here. These are a set of wide, flat running boards, and since they are running boards, they're going to be the same width front to back, and they cover the entirety of the cab length of your truck. The top surface here is a huge 6 inches wide, and that means you've got plenty of places to put your feet to access either the cab or the roof of your truck. Whether you've got a roof rack, a bed-mounted toolbox, or you're just a bit on the shorter side like I am, these make it easy and safe to get into wherever you need on your truck. There are also integrated step pads here with built-in grips, so even if you're out in mud or snow, you'll be able to get a good foothold on these and get into your truck quickly and safely. These also carry a 450-pound weight rating per board, so they can really handle pretty much anything you could think to throw their way. Running boards do have the other benefit of adding some protection to the rocker panel area of your truck. These being a bit more of a traditional style of running board, they do hang down a bit further, so they are going to take away a bit of overall ground clearance. But the width and general size of these means that should you encounter any obstacles in your travels, these will take the hit and it won't transfer to the body of your truck. Made from high-strength aluminum, these are lightweight and they're durable. The material is finished off with this black powder coat for good looks and some additional corrosion resistance, so again, they should be able to handle whatever you can throw at them. The step pads are made from ABS plastic, just like other trim pieces on your truck, so these too should stand the test of time and they'll match well with those other pieces of trim. All the brackets you need to get them installed are included as well, making for a straightforward installation process. Pricing is probably the best part though, as the set here is only going to run you about $225. That makes these some of the most affordable running boards you can get, especially compared to others that are of this same type of size. It's a good deal for something that provides you so much access and protection, and for the price, you really can't beat them. Installation gets a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should take you around 2 hours to complete. These are again going to be a totally bolt-on upgrade, so you don't need to modify anything permanently on your truck. These are just going to bolt right on using the factory mounting points, and all the hardware and bracketry you need to get them mounted up is included in the box. We're going to walk you through the installation process step by step right now, so let's head out to the shop and get to it.
For this install, you need a ratchet and a 13mm socket. Alright, today we're going to be installing some running boards on our F-150. So let's get started. So we're starting off underneath the truck here. Now on the back side you will see 3 studs in each mounting location. There are 3 brackets that are going on either side. They all mount the same. So you're gonna put your bracket over, and then on each of those studs we're gonna put a flat washer, a lock washer, and then our nut. We'll get all of those threaded on, and then we'll go ahead and grab our ratchet with our 13mm socket and tighten those down. I know you probably can't see the back too, but it's just fairly simple. All right, now you go to repeat the same thing for the other 2 mounting points on this side. So now we have our running board here. As you can see, I did take out all of our bolts. They were just threaded into the nuts that slide on the inside here. So we're just gonna rest this over our 3 brackets, line up all of our bolts, get them threaded in first, and then we'll go ahead and tighten them down. So we'll just rest our running boards on our brackets. It sits pretty well in here, it's not gonna fall on you. We're gonna go underneath, line up all of our nuts with our bolts, and get them tightened down. So now we're gonna go ahead and tighten down our running boards. Now as you can see, I have one threaded in here already. I actually have the other 2 mounting brackets threaded in too, just to get it in place. We adjusted off camera, got it in the position that we want. We just have our bolts with our flat washers. Just gonna thread into that nut once you slide it into location. And then go ahead and grab our ratchet with our 13mm socket and tighten these down. Now you can go ahead and tighten the other 2 mounting points down on this side. All right, now once you have this side all secured, you can go and repeat all those same steps on the other side of the truck. And that wraps up our install of our 6-inch wide flat running boards, colored black for our 2015 and newer F-150 SuperCrew. And remember, for everything F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.